I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix Valorant not opening. By the way, this is a very common problem. So to fix this, you want to go to your search here in your Windows and then search for Valorant. Okay. Now after that, you want to right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Now right now you want to just right click on the Valorant and then you want to click on Properties. Now after that, you are in this page, click on Compatibility. Now make sure you check this where it says run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now after that, you want to also check this one that says disable full screen optimization, run this program as an administrator. Okay, click on apply and then click OK. Now another way to fix this problem, just go to search again and search for services. Now after that, you want to click on it, you want to click on services. And after that, you want to just click on any file here, just click on it. After that, you want to click on your keyboard V. Okay, now after you click on V, you want to search for VJC. Okay, now after you find it, let's assume this is VGC, right click and then you want to click on properties. Now after you are here, you want to click on startup file or startup type and then search and then select here automatic. After that, you want to click on start and then click on apply. Okay, now see if the problem is solved or not. If not, let me show you another way. Like I said, another way is you want to search here for graphic settings. Okay, search again and click on it. Now after that, you will be here, just search for Valorant. Now after that, you want to click on it and then make sure you select graphic like high performance. Okay, after that, you want to click on OK and now check if the problem is solved or not. Make sure you turn off your laptop and then open it again and see if the problem is solved. So drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.